Trinity, I just wanted to, I'm not sure what kind of problem that you're having with um, the ecological interactions. I'm assuming it's ecological interactions because that's the one with oil. But I'm just going to go through it. That's the only thing I know to do. When you click on it, go to assignments and procedures, and I think your problem that you're having is with experiment 2. So before I go there, I'm going to look at the lab report and see what you have to put in your table. Okay, so here's one place where it says volume of oil. Okay, so experiment 1, that's experiment 1. All right, so let's go to experiment 1. All right, so it says measure 9 milliliters of water into the 10 milliliter graduated cylinder. And the graduated cylinder is your primary producer. Then you add 1 milliliter of oil to the 10 milliliter graduated cylinder containing the water. Note that the oil is insoluble in the water and thus will accumulate in the water, much like some substances accumulate in organs' tissues. So it's going to float. All right, and then record the volume of oil in the 10 milliliter graduated cylinder in table 2. All right, so let's go back to that. This is table 2 in, all right, I'm starting to see where you're having problems. Record the volume of oil in the 10 milliliter graduated cylinder in table 2. Okay, I think what the problem is that in the table, the graduated cylinder should say 10 milliliters instead of 1,000. Okay, so that's confusing. And then the next one should say 100. So step 4, pour the oil and water mixture into the 100 milliliter graduated cylinder. And then repeat 1, 2, and 4 more times. Wait until the water and oil has settled, then record the volume of oil in your 100 milliliter container in table 2. Okay, so first of all, it's looking like to me that for the first trophic level, that should be a 10 milliliter cylinder and not a 1,000 milliliter. And then for the second, it should be a 100 milliliter cylinder. But the way you do the volume of the oil is, let me see if I can find a picture online of a graduated cylinder. All right, so here's your graduated cylinder. This is a 100 milliliter graduated cylinder. All right, so if you look over here, so let's say you have water in here up to, you have liquid all the way up to the 100, but the oil is floating on the top. And let's say that the oil starts here at the 85, and then it goes all the way up to the 100. Then that means you have 100 minus 85, and that's 15 milliliters of oil. I think that this is the problem that you're having. If not, email me and I will try to make some time to talk with you tonight.